What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Stocks channel. Today's SPY was up 0.76% and we're still sitting around this resistance zone right here at 458. And today we did get another daily close above this level, which could mean that SPY is getting ready to break out and start running into the 460s. Now, I drew this box around the price action because if you look at SPY, we've really just been consolidating between 453 and up here right around 459. And when we break out of this consolidation, the direction we break out of here is going to be significant, whether we continue this bull trend towards the 467 price target, or if we break down below this support at 453, then we're coming back down to this rising 20 daily moving average and support zone at 451. And then below that, we will come all the way down here towards this gap fill at 441. Now, one thing I want to highlight is while the market is sitting here going nowhere and below the previous all-time highs that we had all the way back here in 2001, over on Bank Trade Alerts, we are breaking out to brand new all-time highs as we continue to trade this volatility in this choppy market. And we are currently sitting over 51% gains year to date. So we are absolutely crushing this market. So there are a lot of advantages to being a trader and being able to compound the gains while the market is going sideways or down and continue to trade the market is very advantageous. So if you want to come crush the market with us, you can find out how to join Bank by clicking on the link below. All right, so jumping back over to SPY, pay attention to that previous all-time high because if SPY starts to break out here and we break through this resistance zone, it is possible that is the destination SPY is trying to get to. So above this breakout of this consolidation, if we can clear through that resistance at 460, we will be looking for that next price target at 467. And in my opinion, you should stay bullish as long as we have this bull trend and above this support zone between 451 and this rising 20 daily moving average, which is a moving target. And that is a dynamic support you want to pay attention to. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 1.4% today, and the triple Qs did bounce off of the rising 20 daily moving average. And I told you yesterday, this was likely just going to be a test of support if we bounce back above all the moving averages. So you can see price is now back above all the moving averages, and we're sitting right at this resistance, right around 391. And that is the closing high resistance level we need to break tomorrow. And if we do break through that and we can clear through 393, then we're looking for that push towards 396 and then 404. So again, this is just a textbook bull market as long as we're above this rising 20 daily moving average and this critical support zone at 383. If at any point we put in a lower high and we can't break 393 and we break the support at 383, then we're looking for the gap fill just below at 378. So just keep in mind, this is a bull trend, so try not to short a bull trend if you can help it. This is likely going higher as long as we're above support and maintaining a bull trend. On the Dow Jones, we were up 0.17% today, and we're still getting inside candles from that candle right there on December 1st. So I really want to see a break of the range between 363 and down here at 360 to give us the next direction. Below 360, I think we come down here towards 356. And if we could break above 363, I think we start higher towards 367. So really just know that range and then let the price action tell you which direction we're breaking out of that range. And once we break that range, you'll know which price target to start shooting for. So again, this will be another critical consolidation zone just like the one on SPY. On the Russell 2000 IWM ETF, we were up 0.72% today, and the small caps are still consolidating above this support at 183 and below the resistance at 186. If we could break through the resistance, I'm looking for 189 and then 191. If we break support at 183, look for a retest of the breakout at 181, and if we can't hold that, we could come all the way back down to the breakout at 174. On the ARKK ETF, we were up 0.52% today, and ARKK is holding the rising 5 EMA on the daily chart, and we need to break this resistance just below 49 to get to the next price targets higher at 50.7 and then 52.3. If we can't hold this rising support trend line right around 47.4, then we come back down towards support levels at 45.7 and 44.6. On the VIX, we were up 0.85% today as the VIX is still holding this very important support zone right around 12.8. And if we start to spike out of here, we're looking for the VIX to go towards 15 and 16 during a pullback. On Bitcoin, we're currently down about 1%, and Bitcoin is cooling down from that price target I gave you at 44,500 because we were just really way too far outside that upper Bollinger Band. But now as those Bollinger Bands are expanding, as long as we can hold the support at the breakout at 42,000, it's possible we continue to push higher. On a break above 44,500, the next price target is 47,500. On Tesla stock, we were up 1.37% today, and Tesla is another stock stuck in a range between 234 and 246. So if we break the range out of the bullish direction, we need to break through 244 to 246, and then we're looking for the price target at 255 and 260. If we break below the range, below 234, we're looking for support at 230 and a gap fill at 225. On Apple stock, we were up 1.01% today, and Apple is still bullish above this breakout at 191.5. 195.5 with that price target at 195.28 and 197. Once we hit these price targets, we need to look for the possibility of a pullback, but it does look like we're going a bit higher before that time comes. The critical support will be 191.5 and 190, and if we break below that, look for the gap fill at 186. So jumping back over the S&P 500, this is a great market to be a trader while we're consolidating and going nowhere and we're chopping around. There's opportunities as a trader and we are absolutely crushing it over on Bank Trade Alerts. So if you want to come crush this market with us, you can find out how to join Bank below. I also have the Stocks Channel Discord where you can get access to all of my intraday updates and analysis, and you can find out how to join either service below. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.